Hello, beautiful people. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Be Your Best with JK. So, today's video is going to be really amazing and different from past few videos as it's going to be a positive mindset video. It is a short story written by me. A few years ago, an incident happened in my life, and I got inspiration from that incident, and it is really related to the human nature reality, and hope you can relate it and can understand the deep meaning what I want to depict from this story. So without any delay, let's get into the video. We use writing pads to give support to papers to write something, but in students language this thing changes its name in various ways, like cardboard, hardboard, exam board, and whatnot. It sounds funny when we recall these memories. Well, it will be playing an important role in a life changing story. Want to know how? Let's begin. Like every year, it was the time of examinations. Shopkeepers started keeping the fancy stationery on their shops to attract the school students to buy. Well, students also get a chance to add new fancy items in their old stationery. A girl was passing by a shop and suddenly recalls if she want to buy something. She instantly rushed to her house and found that she needs to buy a cardboard. She took the money from her mom and went to the shop to buy a new cardboard. She was fond of Barbies and fairies and wanted to buy a cardboard with the pic of them. Luckily, she finds a cardboard with a fairy picture in the shop and buys it instantly. Next day, she went back to that shop to buy something. Suddenly, she saw a cardboard in her favorite pink color with a Barbie picture. She instantly decided she wants to buy it, but her parents refused as it was a waste of money, as she already had a one. She became so angry and aggressive on this. Her parents became so worried seeing her like this. In the night, she prayed to God that she will become a good girl by leaving her anger, aggressiveness behind if she get the cardboard. At that time, it became a necessity for her, like that cardboard was meant a world to her at that moment, for which she can sacrifice everything. Next day, her wish was fulfilled and she got it. Whenever she sees that cardboard, she recalls her promise with the God and controls her anger and aggressiveness. Time passed, she grew up. Now it was not her age when she was addicted to dolls, Barbies, and fairies. She committed herself with her future goals. Now, that cardboard, which was everything for her at a point of time, was just a cardboard for her. She still remembers her promise, but now it doesn't affect her. The cardboard, for which she fought a lot, kept it like a diamond in her almirah, and most important, she promised to change herself only for a cardboard, was meant nothing for her now. That's the reality of us. At some point of time, we make commitments, promise, and what not for our wishes, necessities at that specific period of time. With the span of time, they fades away. I call this selfishness. When we want something, we value it and do extreme sacrifices. But when our motto is fulfilled, we don't care for it, whether it is a thing or a person or anything in your life. This can be a little thing, but if you think it deeply, it brings a major difference. Must think. How many times did you did this act of selfishness with your things, friends or people in your life? It was my opinion. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Till then, take care of yourself, be positive, appreciate yourself, value yourself, and leave the act of selfishness. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye.